Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals or entities, affiliates, earn a commission for promoting and driving sales or conversions for another company's products or services. It's a mutually beneficial arrangement where affiliates earn a commission for each successful referral or action, and the company, merchant or advertiser, gains increased sales or leads. Here's how affiliate marketing typically works. 1. Affiliate. The affiliate is the promoter who partners with a company to promote their products or services. Affiliates can be individuals, bloggers, website owners, social media influencers, or even businesses. They sign up for an affiliate program offered by the company they wish to promote. 2. Merchant advertiser. The merchant or advertiser is the company that owns the products or services being promoted. They set up an affiliate program and provide promotional materials, such as affiliate links, banners, or product feeds, to their affiliates. 3. Affiliate links and tracking. Affiliates receive unique affiliate links or codes that they include in their promotional content. These links are used to track the traffic and actions generated by the affiliate. When a user clicks on an affiliate link, a tracking cookie is placed on their device, enabling the merchant to attribute any subsequent conversions or actions to the affiliate. 4. Promotion and referral. Affiliates promote the merchant's products or services through various channels, such as their websites, blogs, social media platforms, email newsletters, or other marketing channels. They may write reviews, create content, share discount codes, or recommend products to their audience. 5. Conversion and commission. If a user clicks on the affiliate link and completes a desired action, such as making a purchase, signing up for a service, filling out a form, or subscribing to a newsletter, the affiliate is credited with the referral. The merchant then pays the affiliate a commission for driving that successful conversion or action. Affiliate marketing offers benefits for both affiliates and merchants. For affiliates, it provides an opportunity to earn passive income by promoting products or services they believe in, without the need to create their own products. They can monetize their online presence, leverage their audience, and potentially earn recurring commissions for ongoing referrals. For merchants, affiliate marketing provides a cost-effective way to expand their reach and tap into new audiences. They only pay commissions when affiliates successfully drive desired actions or conversions, making it a performance-based marketing model. It also helps in building brand awareness, increasing sales, and gaining access to new customer segments. Affiliate marketing networks or platforms, such as Amazon Associates, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, or Rakuten Advertising, act as intermediaries, connecting affiliates with a wide range of merchants and managing the tracking, reporting, and payment processes. It's important for affiliates to disclose their affiliate relationships and maintain transparency with their audience to foster trust. Additionally, merchants need to establish clear terms and conditions for their affiliate programs to ensure compliance and protect their brand's reputation. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.